Winter has refused to release us from its icy grip, and I've been comforting myself with imaginations of warmer places. But it's time to do something to actually bring some more color into my life and get started on the spring garden. Right outside my window of my sunroom, I have birds keeping me company. I guess you could call this our hall. These are going to be planted in the ground, so that's for later. These things I can plant ahead. I really am looking forward to starting some of Alyssum. And I also got some Columbines. There's supposed to be 7 plants in this bag. And this is what I want to start with right here, because there's actually live little plants inside this. But I want to get into some soil right away. I have an 8-hole thing I'm going to use. And there's also a collection I've been working on. Here's the salvia that we collected off of the front porch together, and there's some nicotiana from that last plant that was outside in the cold. Here's some honesty that we got from Chanticleer last year, and some Love and a Puff. These two were laying on the ground, these two spent flower heads that I brought home. In here is the purple passion plant seeds that we collected. This is our giant Tithonia from 2025. And this is some poppies. The poppies in here, I'm going to show you. The poppies in here need to go out and just get scattered in the yard before the last frost, because they need to, they're all empty. Oh, maybe not. Hear it? They need to get cold for a little bit before they'll sprout. I actually think I need to soak these before I plant them. only see six. I only see six. I only see six. Freya sees a squirrel out the window. We're gonna let these soak for like an hour, 45 minutes maybe. And then we'll clean them up. While I wait, I'm also going to moisten some of the soil that I'm gonna plant those roots in. And a little water in here. This water that I'm pouring in will get, but in an hour that water will be gone. It will all be sucked up into the soil. There are 7. You know what? I'm going to give them each their own cup. There are 7 of them, and they're pretty good size, so I'm going to put them in a bigger pot. I have these pots, so I think they'll fit better in these. Oops, sorry. Look at that root in there. Sorry, I hit the camera. And here they are. I'm gonna have to find a better tray that holds all 7 of them together. But for the most part, they look pretty good. We'll have to keep you updated. But I'm gonna use this along with another 8 cell to put the Alyssum in. I won't make you watch me do that. I sprinkled the tiny seeds across the top of the cells as if they were in open ground, and then I'm just gonna give them the lightest covering of soil and wet it in a little bit. Now all that's left to do is put everything in a sunny spot and wait. Thank you for being here with me today. Please make sure you're subscribed, give this episode a thumbs up, and until next episode, bye for now.